Friends, in this video I am going to discuss about a very important topic of multiple linear regression model, that is hypothesis testing for significance of regression. In hypothesis testing we have to define two hypotheses. One is null hypothesis and other is alternative hypothesis. So how we will define hypothesis for testing significance of regression? Let's see. So H naught is called null hypothesis, and we always define it beta 1 is equals to beta 2 is equals to beta k is equals to 0. Here I am not writing beta naught because beta naught has not much significance in the regression model. So we always start null hypothesis from beta 1. Okay, so if all the beta i's are 0 is considered as null hypothesis, then what would be the alternative? It means that at least one of them must be non-zero. That will be your alternative hypothesis. Okay, so we move further. Now we have to define a test statistic. Okay, so what is test statistic? You can simply say it's a formula for calculating or for checking hypothesis. Okay, so F naught is SSR over number of regression coefficients minus 1 over SSRES. RES means residual, and minus number of regression coefficients. Okay, so formula for calculating SSR is this and SS residual is this. So okay, so in previous video we have discussed a question about multiple linear regression model. So in previous question, test for significance of regression. In previous question we have three regression coefficients, beta naught, beta 1 and beta 2. So null hypothesis will be beta 1 is equals to beta 2 is equals to 0. We have not written beta naught here, as I have already told you. HA alternative is beta A is non-zero. It means at least one of them must be non-zero. Okay, so you can see the calculations here. Y transpose Y, then summation yi square, beta hat transpose x transpose y, SSR, SS residual, and okay, now see what is F naught. F naught is SSR over number of regression coefficient minus 1. We have 3 regression coefficients, so 3 minus 1 will be 2. So here what is this? This is SS residual, and it was n minus number of regression coefficients. N was total number of terms in your question. So 4 minus 3 is equals to 1. So after calculating you will get 2.746. Now this is F calculated. You have to compare your value with the tables. Okay, so from table you have to see F alpha, number of regression coefficient minus 1, and n minus number of regression coefficient. So this you will see horizontally and this you will see vertically from the F table. Okay, so F 0.05, alpha is level of significance 2, 1. You will see the value will be 199.50. So your calculated value is much less than the tabulated value, so H naught will be accepted. In other case, if your value is greater than the tabulated value, then in that case H naught will be rejected. Okay.